Are there other like procedures, products? Like, is there anything else you would pair with laser?
So a lot of times when you want to be more aggressive with it, a lot of our patients will pair their laser treatment with either PRP. They're always using our product line, the Anagen Therapy product line, or they'll pair it with a transplant. There's so many options for you. For an example, say a man came in and he didn't have hair in a specific area, but he still had hair in his crown. So that the laser therapy will help increase the density in his crown, but he could go through a transplant if he wanted to put hair in the areas that it's already gone.
Yeah, because you said this is really not so much going to make new hair for everyone. Approximately 30% of people though, it will.
Right, yeah, absolutely. A lot of our patients will do a laser program and they'll also add PRP in with it. So PRP is platelet-rich plasma, and it's an injection taking your own blood. So it's your own serum, which is super healthy and natural, and inject that back into the scalp. They actually isolate and concentrate your natural growth factors that are in your blood.
That's crazy.
I know.
So cool.
It is really cool.
And I know people do that for skin treatments too.
Right, yeah.
It's supposed to just be great for you.
Yeah, PRP is used for your skin. We have athletes that use it for shoulder and knee repair. So when you pair the PRP and the laser together, you're just being a little bit more aggressive. So.
You're working out and dieting.
Yeah.
You're doing a little more.
Yeah,
that's cool.
That's the best way to think about that.